Hey, this is Brennan Galley, and this video is going to show the DDJ1000 hot cue section. Right now on this track, I've already populated the pads 1 through 8 with positions in the song. When I push them, it allows me to move to different positions in the song, and so I can prepare ahead of time how I'm going to play back this tune. So I push here. And I can jump back. Now, a really nice feature about the DDJ1000 is that I get an additional bank of hot cues. So if I press my page over, I now have another 8 pads that I can fill with cues. So let's add a few. Right now, my quantize is off inside of Rekordbox, and I can change that on the controller right here. So with quantize on, that means that when I push a pad, it'll automatically lock into the grid. And you can see how that grid's already on beat with this tune. So I'll make an example. I'm going to push it a little bit early. So usually that would play back, a little bit at a time, but now it's locked right on grid. It also means that if I push the pad in the wrong spot, it's always going to wait for the 1. If I did a similar performance with quantize off, so again, I'll push up top, quantize off, then I can play with the timing a little bit more. So let's try that out. So it has a little bit more feel to it when the quantize is off. If I add a cue position and I don't want it there, you probably notice how this is the same spot because I pushed it by mistake. I can hold down Shift and then I can delete that cue position. And of course I can reset it somewhere else. So here we come for a little break and